This is how it turned out. Really shiny and beautiful. And let me tell you more about this hair dryer. This one is the Nume signature hair dryer. It comes in this very cool box that you can also use to storage your hair dryer. Here is the hair dryer in a turquoise beautiful color right here. It comes with these two attachments and instructions, very cool instructions, because in here you know more about the hair dryer and they give you tips to blow out your hair. And I see something about a curling one, which they also have in the website, and straightening iron. So keep on watching for more information about that. I just spent 10 minutes in front of the mirror doing my hair, no problem, really fast. Now let me tell you more about the signature hair dryer so you know what it has. It has a far infrared heat that moves directly into the hair follicle and out to the cuticle to protect strands over time. Negative ion conditioning technology that maintains moisture and eliminates frizz by sealing the hair cuticle while boosting shine. As you can see, ceramic grill conducts far infrared heat and negative ions for fast and healthier blowouts. And cool shot button right here that works to set and smooth blowouts by sealing the cuticle while retains the shape and direction of the hair. About the size, it's really compact. You can storage this everywhere. You can use the box, you can use like a baggie. It's great for travel. It doesn't occupy too much space. About the weight, it's a little bit heavy. It's not the lightest, but it's not the heaviest. So the main weight is right here in this area. If your arm is getting tired, just hold it right here, not here, for better support. But I think it's great. Like I said, my ends are a mess. I used to have a lot of frizz in this area, and with the Cool Shot button, it locked it out. It looks really shiny in the back. Let me show you. Right here, I didn't apply any major things, just heat protectant. I didn't apply any oil or anything, so if it's shiny it's because of the hair dryer. I think it's great. I think it's a great investment. I will have a 25% off coupon code for you guys. The regular price is $129, and with the 25% coupon you calculate on the website. I don't know the shipping around your area, that's why I'm not telling you like a final price on the hair dryer, but the 25% off is not only for the hair dryer, it's for all the things that they have in the website. The link is going to be in the description box as always. If you have any questions, hit me in the comments area. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you in the next video. Bye!